what are the biggest enemies within financial markets? Two sisters, fear and greed. That means emotions, strong emotions. And in most of the cases where people, both retail investors and professional, let's call it professional investors, fail, the reason for this failing is based on fear and or greed. So you have to manage your emotions. And you're talking about risk, reward, and the relationship in between these two aspects. And in between, there's always fear and greed sitting and haunting you, talking into your ear, something like this. So you have to manage this to reduce your emotional, let's call it emotional volatility or something like this. And the second, the rather rational aspect, my recommendation, but it's just my recommendation, to take a little bit of deeper dive into mathematics. What do I mean with mathematics? Exactly, I mean two areas, statistics and probability. Because as you mentioned, you use the word belief. People believe that a company might develop quite well within the next couple of years, or a share of the company or whatsoever, or a prognosis. Belief is not the right perspective. Belief is somehow related to faith. Faith, yes, within religion or ideology or something, it's okay. But religion, both religion and ideology, do not have any place when it's about financial investing or something like this. So when you're asking about the future development of a company, you shouldn't ask what yourself or other people, experts, believe or what kind of prognosis they do have. You should watch it from a perspective of probability. How high is the probability in percent that this certain company develops in a positive way? You can't make some kind of prognosis like analysts do, the 12 months prognosis. Tesla now at 450 and in 12 months 600. Yeah, it's nice. It's a calculation. It's a proposal. You can read it, but it wouldn't help. The main question is just it's simple. Is there a higher probability that it goes up or a higher probability that it goes down? And then it's about statistics. A lot of people think about looking back and they say, okay, the company have been developing quite well within the last 3 or 5 years. And then they make this huge mistake or error. Take the past development and project it into future. It's subconscious, so to speak. Not purely subconscious, but it happens. It's my own experience of failing. You see a line, you see a chart. It looks like this. It has been looking like this the last 3 years. Most people, if you ask that they draw it, then they might draw it like this. But within a week, it could go like this. But our subconsciousness, and again, our greed in this case, and our hope, also not a good advisor, hope would tell us that this line proceeds as it has been the last 3 or 5 years. So, solution, mathematics, statistics, probability, and control and manage your mindset, and especially fear and greed and other big emotions.